Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Friday, September 26, 2025. Our daily gospel, St. Luke chapter 9, verses 18 to 22. We will just read the very core of our message in verse 20 and 22. He asked them, "But who do you say I am?" God's Messiah, Peter replied. He said, "The Son of Man must suffer a great deal and be rejected by the elders, the high priests, and the scribes. Then he must be killed, but on the third day he will be raised." The Gospel of the Lord. Our message, the Messiah. Jesus is the promised Savior. First, Jesus is the Savior. He fulfilled the law of Moses and the prophets on our behalf. Si Jesus ang tagapagligtas, tinupad niya ang kautusan ni Moises at ang hula ng mga propeta para sa ating kapakanan. Second, Jesus is Lord. He has the authority and power in all things in heaven and on earth. Si Jesus ay Panginoon. Siya ay may autoridad at kapangyarihan sa lahat ng bagay, sa langit at sa lupa. And third, Jesus is God. He is divine with true identity, which is the Son of God. Si Jesus ay Diyos. Siya ay banal na may tunay na pagkakakilanlan na anak ng Diyos. Good morning and God bless us all.